Hi guys, so today we are going to train our abs in standing position, contract our abs without plank, without sit up. So first we need to tuck in our booty so your spine is elongated while your abs are active and shortened to contract. If you are swinging your body like this, the one that is contracting will be your hip flexor, which is not what we want. So first, tuck in your glutes, tuck in your tummy, and then control every crunch without swinging your entire body. And don't forget to exhale every time you crunch. So first, we are going to do some bicycle lift. Opposite elbow towards opposite knee and twist your torso. Don't forget to elongate your spine so your abs are active and shortened to contract. Don't forget to exhale when you crunch. Next, we are going to clasp our hands together like holding a sword. And then we are going to contract and pull our hands towards our abs. Don't forget to always lengthen the spine so your abs is contracting in maximum quality. Exhale when you crunch.
Sitting back, procrastinating. I've listened to them talk, I think I really hate it. Like biking, y'all just work, just go and generate it. I put in the hours, yeah, I got the motivation.
Next, we are going to do some curtsy, so cross your leg at the back and crunch with the help of your hands. Same hands, same legs, contracting your abs. Balance is key here, guys, and contract your side abs here. And switch on the other side. Next, we are going to do like a golf swing, so diagonally in the bottom and swing to the other upper side. Contract when you go up. As you can see, I control every move. Do not throw away your hands, but control it. Switch side. Again, clasp your hands together. And then we are going to draw figurative number 8. Down, up, down, Again, shorten your abs when you go down. In the same hands position, we are going to twist our hands and torso right and left. Again, do not throw your hands, but rather control it and twist as hard as you can. For advanced option, you can do this. Squeeze your abs. Position and technique are keys. Next, we are going to do some lunges, back and tuck into your chest while contracting your abdominals. Lunges, tuck. Lunges, tuck. Exhale when you tuck.
Oh, dude, I don't know what to do. Do I do this like that? Or, well, like the other way, dude. Y'all just overthink, but I am here just making moves. So 2020, we just take it off. Yeah, I'm talking about the proof.
And right now, switch, guys. On to the next move, we are going to put our hands besides our ears, and then we are going to lift our leg one by one. Don't forget to exhale every time you contract your abs. Some hands variation here. You can put down to increase the intensity.
I put in the hours, yeah, I got the motivation.
Next, we are going to be standing in one leg. The other leg is going to stay in the 90 degrees position and then twist and twist. If this is too difficult for you, you can just put your legs one by one, but challenge yourself if you can.
Making moves, so 2020, we just take it off. Yeah, I'm talking about the proof.
Alright guys, twist to the other leg and go again. Twist, twist. Good job, you guys. Next, we are going to cross our hands and then clasp it together, so it's like tangled hands, and then you are going to crunch in the middle with your knees a little bit bent. Wow, this is so real, guys. The contractions. Don't forget to exhale, elongate your spine, and crunch. Next, same hands position, cross it and clasp it together, and then we are going to do right and left and right. The way your hands are positioned right now, it's gonna tighten the position of the core, make it so much easier to contract. Let's go, guys. You can do this. Wow, good job, you guys. Thank you very much for doing this with me. But right now we are gonna cool down our muscles and our body. Round up your shoulders. Take a deep breath and down. Shake your arms so your legs and spine are relaxed. Move just a little bit if you want, and then round again, down, round up, inhale, exhale to the bottom. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to check my other videos. Bye bye.